Put your battles for you, they gon' wonder how you sleep at night. Only do it, yes you will. Anybody tell you something different, you know that's a lie. You gon' look back and be so amazed. How it turned out, it's only his grace. Only do it, he said he would. So I trust him at all times.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Larosaa with 2 A's, and I'm so happy you guys clicked on this video. You guys have no idea. I appreciate you. Today I did a ombre glitter eyeshadow with the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And it was super fun. So I'm just gonna get right into it. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. But I'm going to set my eyes with my LA Girl concealer in Fawn. This is what it looks like. Of course, I am using the Norvina palette again. Woohoo! Wait, let me open it. This is amazing. Can you see that? Hey! So the first color I'm gonna go into is this pink color, Love, which is super cute. You just wanna get in there. I'm gonna go in with the color Soul. And I'm definitely trying something different. Put that in my inner corner. This is like different because you know how most people start with light. There's definitely going to be ombre on the lid, so I'm just going to take that blue right now. I'm going to go in that inner corner on my bottom lid as well and drag it out. Now I'm going in with the color Celestial, right by the blue. Take Rose Gold right here. So when I'm done, I'm definitely gonna go back in and just reapply all of the colors to give them more of a pop. But then I'm going to take this eyeshadow, Summer, right here, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner. So for under my eye, I'm gonna go back in with that purple and go under, if you guys can see that. Then go back in with Rose Gold as well. Go right next to it. That Rose Gold is really pretty under the eye. That Rose Gold is really cute. OMG. With Summer. I'm just gonna connect that. About to go in with Passion right here. I'm gonna define my crease a little bit more. don't be afraid to go in a little harsh with this color. I'm just going to reapply all of the colors just, you know, make it a little more poppy. I'm going to use my NYX liquid eyeliner. I'm going to give it a soft wing. I don't want to take away from the eyeshadow. Sorry guys, I was supposed to put my lashes on camera, but I had I couldn't find my, what do you call it, I forgot. I couldn't find the thing that you put your lashes on, so it took me forever. Anyway, so I'm going to do my lips, and I'll just use a brown, so I'm just going to use a brown eyeliner, a brown lip liner. I'm going to use this lipstick from MAC called Kinda Sexy. Lip gloss from MAC in Spite. I got like the mini version. I was like broke, but they had it like a sample. Not a sample, but you know how they have like the mini ones. It's only, oops, not close too much. It just saves because I'm really not a lipstick person anyway. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm so happy you guys made it this far in this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm telling you, I got new content coming every single week, okay? You know, thank you guys so much for being on this journey. I am a new YouTuber, well, consistent YouTuber, you guys. Shout out to them girls who've been trying to do YouTube for a couple years, just never could get it together because that was me, but that is okay. I got a new mindset and we on. Anyway, yes, don't forget my name is Larosaa with 2 A's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!